Solve the equation and check the solution. 5x plus 9 is equal to 7x plus 21. Let's start by getting our x terms together, subtracting 7x from both sides. So on the left, 5x minus 7x is negative 2x. We also have this plus 9. And on the right, 7x minus itself cancels, leaving us with 21. As a second step, let's get our numeric terms together, subtracting 9 from both sides. So on the left, it will cancel, leaving negative 2x. And on the right, 21 minus 9 is 12. As a last step, we'll divide both sides by negative 2, giving x is equal to a negative 6. So we believe the solution to be negative 6, but let's check that. We'll check it into the original equation. So substituting negative 6 in for x in the original equation gives 5 times a negative 6 plus 9. Is that indeed equal to a 7 times negative 6 plus 21? So on the left, this is a negative 30 plus 9. Is that equal to negative 42 plus 21? Yes, indeed it is. We get a negative 21 on both sides. This is a true statement. Therefore, the correct solution, giving our solution set, is negative 6.